Hey guys, it's Glenn Murray. How are you, affiliate profit pages? Today I'm going to show you a demo of something that's really cool. It's an ebook creator that basically it's going to show you how simple it is to make an ebook by just clicking a button. It comes fully loaded with articles, niches, templates. It's really cool. So I'm going to show you the video for that. And before I do, make sure that you hit subscribe if you want more videos on how to make money online. And I just want to talk about what this product or this program can do, because it's a one-time fee to buy this thing and it's very inexpensive. But what you can do is you can make unlimited ebooks. Now, if you're going, well, why do I want to make unlimited ebooks? Well, there's a ton of things you can do. There's so many methods to make money. You can make them to give away as lead magnets. You put your links in, you point to your website. So for example, you're trying to sell a program that teaches people how to make money on Twitter, or how to get more Twitter followers or Instagram followers or Facebook followers. Well, you would go find an article that's written about how to get more Twitter followers. Maybe it's a 2 or 3 page article. There might even be one inside. I haven't gone through all the 1,000. I think there's 1,000 written articles in there. Or you can just go buy a PLR. I'll put a link for PLR stuff. You basically make the ebook about that, because you're not worried about ranking this ebook. This ebook is going to be something you're putting on your website to give away. So the content doesn't have to necessarily be SEO friendly, because it's something you're going to be giving to people. You're going to drive people to it. So inside that ebook, it's simple to put your links. So that's number one. So you can send them to a program, you can send them to a training, whatever it is. And think about, if you can just start to think about like how many different things. Best way to travel, best fishing, best, how to do woodworking, like anything, guys, how to be a better cook, how to be a better baker, how to be a better lover, how to be whatever it is, anything. You can do these 3 or 4 page things, and then you point them to an offer. You can even point them to a ClickBank offer. Now, if you're a follower of mine, you would send them to a capture page and then to an offer. All right, so what else do you want to do with this? So that's one method of doing it, right? Now, the other thing you can do is, because it comes with a full commercial and agency, right, you can actually write ebooks for people. So if you have people that want ebooks written, and if you go to Fiverr, guys, it can be anywhere from like $300 up to $900 people are paying to get their ebooks written, right? So they're going to provide a lot of the content for you. You just have to get it put into the format, and the format's already done, because you're going to watch this demo. And the third way is actually to create an ebook and then put it up to Kindle free, right? So you would upload it to Amazon's free Kindle thing. People download it, all your links are there, boom, you're done. So how to be a better affiliate marketer, how to be a network marketer, how to be a travel agent, how to be, whatever it is. So there's so many ways you can make money with this. So let's get into watching this demo. I think you guys are going to just be blown away here. So here we go. All right, enjoy. I'll be back after you watch this movie. Hey, pretty cool, huh? All right, so now that you've seen it, and I put a link below, and you can go grab it and get started. Now, if you do grab it through my link right now, I do want to give you something that nobody else gives. Is I'm going to give you a strategy session with me. So this is a 1 hour session that you'll be able to. We'll jump on Skype, we'll jump on Zoom, whatever you want, and we're going to go through and we'll pick a niche that you want to focus on. We'll pick on how we're going to market, and then we'll just go through so you can start getting a few of these under your belt and just start making them. Like, say if you're into keto dieting or some sort of, maybe you're in a network marketing company that does dieting or health foods or anything like that, you could be putting out so many health articles and attracting people and giving them to your team to give out, right? So you give it to your team, and all you need to do, put in the link is like, hey, if you want more information about the products that I use, click the link, right? And then they go to your landing page or your onboarding page or your appointment setting page, whatever it is. And so let's get the software, get started, start making some ebooks for yourself, and then definitely we'll do a strategy session. All right, guys, make sure you hit subscribe button, and if you know somebody that this video would really help them or they need an ebook, then definitely pass the video on for them. All right, guys, cheers.